Assalamu alaikum. Symbols of waqf, signs of stopping when reading Quran. How to stop? We break our voice and breathe to stop at a word. Different signs are used in the Quran to indicate whether or not we should stop. Waqf types of stops. In meme, you must stop. Continuing is not allowed. This symbol, it is better to stop. Continuing it is allowed. In Jim, stop or continue. Both are allowed. In this symbol, Sal, better to continue. Stopping is allowed. In La, don't stop. Stopping is not allowed. In Sin, pause without taking breath. In this symbol, stop at one point, not both. Waqf Nabi shows the parts of Quran where the Messenger ﷺ of Allah himself stopped and took pause. Waqf Qufran is a symbol indicating a place where the reciter and listener should stop to make a prayer in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Waqf Manzil is the sign indicating the angel Jibril stopping and taking pause at a time of revealing the Quranic instructions over the Holy Prophet ﷺ. So let's review these symbols. Waqf Taam indicates that the sentences has been completed. It is equivalent to a full stop or period in the English language. Waqf Taam, perfect stop. Meme, Waqf Lazim, compulsory stop. Ta, Waqf Mutlaq, necessary stop. Jim, Waqf Jahiz, better to stop. If you don't stop, it is permitted. Sad, Waqf Murakhas, permissible stop. Qaf, Qila alayhi al-waqf, better not to waqf. Zai, Waqf Mujawwaz, better not to stop. Qaf, yuqaffu alayh, better not to stop. Better to stop. La waqf alayh, not to stop. Kaf, kadhalik, same as before. Sajda, complete the ayah and do sajda tilawah. Sal, may or may not stop. Qad yusal. Sal, al-wasl ula, better not to stop. In this symbol, Muaaniqah, stop at one of the two signs.